Ever wondered about the secrets hidden in the ancient mystical tradition of Kabbalah? This arcane discipline, shrouded in mystery and intrigue, has captivated the minds of seekers for millennia. Its allure is undeniable, its enigma is irresistible. Kabbalah, a term that means to receive, is a labyrinth of wisdom that has been handed down through the ages. It is a spiritual compass, guiding those who dare to traverse its intricate pathways towards profound enlightenment. Its roots are deeply intertwined with Jewish mysticism, tracing back to the biblical times of Abraham and Moses, yet the tendrils of Kabbalah extend far beyond the Jewish faith. Its influence has seeped into various cultures and religions, bridging the divide between different spiritual practices. It is a universal language of the soul, a spiritual code that transcends boundaries, connecting all of us in our quest for understanding the divine. The Kabbalah is not merely a philosophical or theological concept. Rather, it is an experiential journey, an exploration of the unseen realms of existence. It is a mystical map, charting the course for a spiritual voyage that ventures into the depths of the soul and the heights of the cosmos. As we delve deeper into Kabbalah, we encounter its various facets: the spiritual, the mythological, the hermetical, and the philosophical. Each facet offers a unique perspective, a different lens through which to view this intricate tapestry of wisdom. To awaken the Kabbalah is to ignite the spark of divine wisdom within, to stir the soul from its slumber and kindle the flame of spiritual enlightenment. It is a call to embark on a journey of self-discovery, a quest to unlock the secrets of the universe that lie within each of us. The Kabbalah is a treasure trove of esoteric knowledge, a mystical key that unlocks the hidden dimensions of existence. It is a sacred tool, a divine instrument that has the potential to transform us, to elevate our consciousness, and to connect us with the divine. This mystical tradition holds a wealth of secrets, waiting to be unveiled. As we journey into the heart of Kabbalah, we pierce the veil of mystery and step into a world of profound wisdom and spiritual illumination. Journey back in time to the birthplace of Kabbalah. This mystical tradition, rich with enigmatic wisdom, was born in the cradle of Jewish mysticism. Its roots can be traced back to the 1st and 2nd centuries, during the time of the Second Temple in Jerusalem. The ancient Jewish scholars, brimming with spiritual fervor, sought to understand the divine mysteries of the universe. Thus, Kabbalah was conceived. As the centuries rolled on, Kabbalah began to evolve, absorbing influences from various cultural and religious contexts. It was during the Middle Ages that Kabbalah reached its zenith, particularly within the Jewish communities in Spain and France. Here, Kabbalistic thought flourished, weaving intricate tapestries of divine wisdom that continue to captivate the minds of seekers today. In the subsequent centuries, Kabbalah traversed beyond the Jewish world. It found resonance in Christian mysticism, with scholars like Pico della Mirandola and Johannes Reuchlin delving into the Kabbalistic texts, seeking spiritual enlightenment. Further east, in the Islamic world, Sufi mystics discovered parallels between Kabbalah and their own esoteric teachings. They too embraced the Kabbalistic wisdom, adding their unique hues to this mystical tradition. In more recent times, Kabbalah has permeated into the realm of popular culture. Celebrities, spiritualists, and seekers from around the globe have turned to Kabbalah, seeking answers to life's profound questions. Despite its diverse journey, the core essence of Kabbalah remains unchanged. It continues to be a spiritual compass, guiding seekers towards a deeper understanding of the divine and the self. From the ancient Jewish sages to the modern spiritual seeker, Kabbalah has been a beacon of mystical wisdom. It has traversed through time and space, adapting and evolving, yet holding steadfast to its core essence. Indeed, the seeds of Kabbalah have sprouted in various soils, blooming into different interpretations. It is this adaptability and resilience that have made Kabbalah a timeless spiritual tradition, a celestial river of wisdom that continues to flow, enlightening minds and touching souls across the ages. Explore the intriguing connections between Kabbalah and Islamic mysticism. Both Kabbalah and Sufism, the mystical branch of Islam, share roots in the Abrahamic tradition. While they evolved in different cultural and religious contexts, they converge in their quest for divine wisdom. Kabbalistic concepts have found resonance in Sufi teachings, creating a unique blend of mysticism that transcends religious boundaries. In the mystical dance of Sufism, echoes of Kabbalistic wisdom can be discerned. Concepts such as the unity of existence, the journey of the soul, and the pursuit of divine knowledge have been seamlessly integrated into Sufi practices. This unlikely confluence has not only enriched Sufi mysticism, but has also facilitated a dialogue of understanding between Jews and Muslims. Kabbalah, with its universal appeal, has served as a bridge, fostering interfaith dialogue and understanding. It has highlighted the shared spiritual heritage and common quest for divine wisdom that underlies these two seemingly disparate paths. Kabbalah and Islam, two distinct streams of spiritual thought, converge in their quest for divine wisdom, reminding us of the interconnectedness of all spiritual paths. This unlikely confluence of Kabbalah and Islamic mysticism serves as a testament to Kabbalah's universal appeal and its ability to transcend religious and cultural boundaries. Dive into the profound depths of Kabbalah's teachings. A journey into the heart of Kabbalah reveals a complex and intricate system of thought. It's a spiritual and philosophical framework that has captivated thinkers and seekers for centuries. At its core, Kabbalah seeks to answer some of the most profound questions of existence. It grapples with the nature of the universe, the essence of the human soul, and the divine's place within it all. It's a prism through which we can explore the interconnectedness of all things, the dance between the physical and the spiritual, and the divine spark within us all. Kabbalah teaches us that the universe is not a random assortment of matter, but a carefully orchestrated symphony of energies and forces. It proposes that everything from the tiniest atom to the vast expanses of the cosmos is infused with divine intention and purpose. Each element of creation, it says, is a letter in a divine script, a note in a celestial melody. The human soul, according to Kabbalistic teachings, is a divine spark, a fragment of the divine essence. It is our direct link to the divine, our inner compass guiding us towards our true purpose. The soul, in Kabbalah, is not a passive entity, but an active participant in the cosmic drama, tasked with the mission of elevating the physical world to its spiritual potential. The divine, in Kabbalah's view, is not an external mythological deity, but the very fabric of existence, as it is a reference to the Hermetic law, the all is mind. The truth of Kabbalah is actually the human mind. Its branches represent the right hemisphere of the brain, the dominant side of women that is all about intuition, wisdom, and creativity, and the left hemisphere of the brain, the dominant side of men that is all about language, understanding, and logic. It is the underlying reality, the mechanism of life. The true essence of Kabbalah is the strive to achieve balance between both hemispheres of the brain to transcend the mind to its everlasting potential for greatness. The divine is immanent, permeating every aspect of existence, yet also transcendent, beyond our comprehension. It is both the author and the script, the musician and the melody. Kabbalah, with its spiritual and philosophical teachings, offers us a unique lens through which to view the universe. It invites us to see beyond the surface, to delve deeper into the essence of existence. It urges us to recognize the divine spark within ourselves and in the world around us, to engage with the world in a meaningful and transformative way. Kabbalah offers a unique lens through which to view the universe and our place within it. Uncover the practical application of Kabbalah in daily life. Kabbalah, far from being a mere theoretical construct or a relic of ancient wisdom, plays an active role in the daily lives of its practitioners. Its principles and teachings, when applied, can bring about profound changes in one's consciousness and perception of reality. One of the most common ways Kabbalah manifests in practice is through meditation. Kabbalistic meditation is not just about emptying the mind or seeking temporary peace. It's a journey into the depths of the soul, a quest for understanding the divine spark within us all. It's about transcending our physical existence and connecting with the divine energies that permeate the universe. But Kabbalah stretches beyond personal spiritual growth. Its principles also guide practitioners in their interactions with the world around them. The concept of tikkun olam, or repairing the world, is a fundamental aspect of Kabbalah. It encourages individuals to take responsibility for the world's well-being, to act with kindness and to strive for justice and peace. Furthermore, Kabbalah is not confined to a single culture or religion. Its influence extends across various spiritual traditions and practices around the globe. In Buddhism, for instance, the concept of interconnectedness mirrors Kabbalistic teachings about the unity of all creation. In Christianity, the mystical tradition of hesychasm shares similarities with Kabbalistic meditation. Even in the realm of modern psychology, the tree of life, a central symbol in Kabbalah, is used as a tool for understanding the human psyche. This universal appeal of Kabbalah is a testament to its timeless wisdom and practical relevance. It offers a roadmap for personal transformation, a guide to living with greater awareness and compassion. It fosters a sense of purpose and connection, helping individuals navigate the challenges of life with grace and resilience. Kabbalah transcends the realm of theory, making a tangible impact on the lives of its practitioners. Its teachings are not meant to be locked away in dusty books or confined within the walls of a temple. They are meant to be lived, breathed, and embodied, shaping our actions, our relationships, and our understanding of the world. Grasp the dual nature of Kabbalah, a source of enlightenment and a path fraught with dangers. The power of Kabbalah is undeniable. It's a spiritual practice that opens the doors to the unseen, the mystical, the divine. It's a path to understanding the universe and one's place within it. It's a journey towards enlightenment, towards a deeper connection with the divine essence that permeates all of existence. But with this power comes responsibility. Kabbalah is not a mere tool to be used for personal gain or to fulfill selfish desires. It's not a fast track to supernatural abilities or a way to bypass the trials and tribulations of life. It's a spiritual discipline that requires respect, humility, and dedication. Misusing Kabbalah or approaching it with the wrong intentions can lead to peril. It's like walking a tightrope over a chasm. One misstep, one moment of inattention or disrespect, and the fall can be devastating. The dangers of misusing Kabbalah are as real as its benefits. It can lead to spiritual disconnection, to a sense of emptiness, to a loss of self. That's why it's so important to approach Kabbalah with caution, with reverence, with a genuine desire to grow and learn. It's not a path for the faint-hearted or for those seeking easy answers. It's a path for the brave, for those willing to face their own shadows, to confront their own limitations, to strive towards a higher level of being. Kabbalah in different cultures and religions has a similar narrative, a powerful tool for spiritual growth, but one that must be handled with care. It's not a magic wand but a compass, a guide to navigating the complexities of existence, to understanding the mysteries of life and death, of the divine and the mundane. Kabbalah, like all powerful tools, holds the potential for both great good and great harm. It's a path of power and peril, of enlightenment and danger. It's a journey that requires courage, humility, and respect. But for those who walk this path with the right intentions, the rewards can be profound. Are you ready to embark on your own Kabbalistic journey? The journey of Kabbalah is not for the faint-hearted. It calls for courage, humility, and respect. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of Kabbalah, we invite you to join us on this spiritual path. As we journey deeper into the mystical world of Kabbalah, let's delve into the intriguing connection between Kabbalah and the concept of owning the shadow. The shadow, in Jungian psychology, represents the unconscious aspects of the personality which the conscious ego does not identify with. It's often perceived as the dark side of our personality, the parts we'd rather not acknowledge. In the Kabbalistic tradition, this concept is referred to as the Sitra Achra, or other side. It's not something to be feared or rejected, but rather a key player in our spiritual growth. The Kabbalists believe that by acknowledging and integrating our shadow, we can achieve tikkun, or rectification, restoring balance and harmony within ourselves and the world. This process of tikkun bears striking parallels to Jung's concept of individuation, a path of self-development that leads to the realization of the whole self. Both Kabbalah and Jungian psychology underscore the importance of integrating the shadow, of owning those parts of ourselves that we'd rather not see. As part of your Kabbalistic journey, we invite you to undertake some practical exercises for owning your shadow. These exercises, deeply rooted in Kabbalistic teachings, are designed to illuminate the darkness within, cleansing it and replacing it with purity, bringing to light those aspects of ourselves that we've ignored or suppressed. Owning the shadow is a crucial part of the Kabbalistic journey. It leads to greater self-awareness, spiritual growth, and a deeper understanding of the divine essence within us all. As we embrace the purification of our shadow, we step closer to the divine light, realizing the transformative power of Kabbalah. In the next video, we will explore practical Kabbalistic exercises that you can incorporate into your daily life. These exercises are designed to guide you on your spiritual journey, to help you connect with the divine essence within and around you. But there's more. We will also reveal a secret Kabbalistic concept, a key to unlocking the profound wisdom of Kabbalah. This secret has been guarded by Kabbalists for centuries, passed down through generations to those who are ready to receive it. Are you ready? Stay tuned for the next chapter in our Kabbalah series. The journey has just begun. So make sure that you subscribe, share, like, and hit the notification bell to delve in these mysteries together.